10 cars, 10 Group 5 rally visas, 100 horsepower, 1,540 pounds at the disposal of 10 drivers for a whole season. All expenses paid. And here they are.
Manager at a public works firm. Test driver for Michelin. Post office engineer. Motorcycle specialist. Mechanic. Salesman. Management instructor. Manager of a driving school. Wine merchant. SNCF train driver.
Ten men who are going to spend a year in a world of revving engines and exhilaration.
It was a small stone. The valve didn't have a cap on, and it got stuck in there. Apart from that, everything's okay.
These men compete against each other in every stage of the French Rally Championship. And each time, it's that much faster and that much harder. An out-and-out struggle, limited only by the hazards of each event and the application of temperament and ability. The struggle is repeated several times over, with something very important at stake. The winner will be Works driver.
How's it going?
Bien. C'est-à-dire? Très bien.
Great. In fact, we're leading at the moment.
C'est très difficile d'être en tête.
It's hard being in the lead. I prefer not to be. It's better for the nerves. It's not only the nerves. Something might go wrong, too. Might have to drop out. Apart from that, everything's fine. I almost feel like slowing him down. No, I'm not worried. Everything's fine. The car's going well. Me too. Nothing to be worried about at this rate. Have you seen Rio? He's soaked in sweat. He's not as young as he used to be.
Sometimes the driver's enthusiasm overcomes the laws of gravity, and over the car goes. But it never takes them long to get back on four wheels and off again. At the end of the season, things get close. Nothing to choose between these five.
The cars that were in the lead have dropped out, and now we're doing pretty well. I was right in there, except in the last special stages when Armand was really moving. He must have been pushing his engine, though, to clock up those sort of times. In fact, he was, and now the race is wide open again. I think there are 5 of us still in the running, and it's going to be very fast, because at this stage, every point counts. Everyone wants to win, but only 1 out of the 5 can, so things are going to get pretty lively.
The finish is at Quercy, the last chance rally. A final fling, but you've got to keep your head. Calculated risks and risky calculations.
I'm 7 points up on the second car and 8 up on the third and fourth. I'm hoping to win. So am I. There are still 5 left with a chance. It's going to be hard, but we must win. Nervous? Not a bit. I am. I didn't sleep well. But it'll be okay. It's nothing. I'm in good spirits. Well, I don't know. It's going to be slippery. But this time we've got to finish. I'm a bit keyed up. Always am at the start. Nerves. It's better after the second or third special stage when you've got into the rhythm of it. But it always comes back at the start.
The rain doesn't help, makes it slippery. But no one ever thinks about slowing down.
Well, we're in the lead. We've got 15 seconds on Verne. Then, of course, there's Rio. He's right behind. I can't go any faster. I don't think so, anyway. Chaumont's going fast. Don't know how he does it. But I'm just going to stay the way I'm going now. Otherwise, the thing is, it gets dangerous. We're a minute ahead of Verne, 45 seconds ahead of Arbon, and we've got 2 minutes on Bernays. The thing is, I must make at least second place. What I'm worried about is engine trouble. At Angoulême, the drive shaft went during the last special stage, just 5 miles from the finish. I'm worried something else could happen now. It's bad for the nerves.
The special stages are short. Times are only seconds apart.
7 seconds better than you. Arnaud, let's see your times. Come on, let's have a look. I'm too tall for this. I need room to stretch my legs, that's the trouble. I'm just too cramped. I can't get into the rhythm. Well, it's all over for me. Just took me 2.5 minutes to get off a bank. I'll never make that up in 4 stages. I should be second. I'm a bit disappointed, but there, that's rallying. Oh, no, there's no way I can make up that minute now. There are only 4 miles to go. Even without a hitch, I couldn't do it. I'd need, well, 20 miles at least.
Miles, yards, minutes, seconds. Ahead, behind, position. The subtle and sublime arithmetic of highly motivated drivers. Calculators in their heads and steering wheels in their hands. Battling with each special stage against the clock. To do better, go faster, to get it more, to do the impossible. Ten of them, one behind the other. 5, 4, 3, who can still win, then 2, then just 1, as long as he gets to the finish. And he has. Rio has won. He'll be the works driver. After a successful year, the Visa Trophy is going to be expanded considerably. Next season, there will be over 200 Visas competing in the major rallies in France and Europe.